OpenAI just revealed its newest AI system called Sora. This program can turn text descriptions into videos that look incredibly real. The video generation model is spurring excitement about advancing AI technology, along with growing concerns over how artificial deepfake videos worsen misinformation and disinformation during a pivotal election year worldwide. Sora is an AI model that creates realistic video from a simple text prompt. But what has everyone talking is the apparent quality of the output. Examples provided by OpenAI show Sora generating videos up to a minute long that appear incredibly realistic and smooth. The Sora AI model can currently create videos up to 60 seconds long using either text instructions alone or text combined with an image. One demonstration video starts with a text prompt that describes how a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage. Other examples include a dog frolicking in the snow, vehicles driving along roads, and more fantastical scenarios such as sharks swimming in midair between city skyscrapers. Sora leverages OpenAI's existing technologies, including the image generator DALL-E and the GPT large language models. While text-to-video AI models have previously trailed behind these technologies in terms of realism and accessibility, the demonstration of Sora represents a significant advancement. According to Rachel Toback, co-founder of Social Proof Security, an organization focused on social engineering, Sora's output is an order of magnitude more believable and less cartoonish than previous iterations. To achieve this higher level of realism, Sora combines two different AI approaches. The first is a diffusion model similar to those used in AI image generators such as DALL-E. These models learn to gradually convert randomized image pixels into a coherent image. The second AI technique is called transformer architecture and is used to contextualize and piece together sequential data. For example, large language models use transformer architecture to assemble words into generally comprehensible sentences. In this case, OpenAI broke down video clips into visual spacetime patches that Sora's transformer architecture could process. Sora's videos still contain plenty of mistakes, such as a walking human's left and right legs swapping places, a chair randomly floating in midair, or a bitten cookie magically having no bite mark. Still, Jim Fan, a senior research scientist at NVIDIA, took to the social media platform X to praise Sora as a data-driven physics engine that can simulate worlds. The fact that Sora's videos still display some strange glitches when depicting complex scenes with lots of movement suggests that such deepfake videos will be detectable for now, says Arvind Narayanan at Princeton University. But he also cautioned that in the long run we will need to find other ways to adapt as a society. OpenAI has held off on making Sora publicly available while it performs red team exercises where experts try to break the AI model's safeguards in order to assess its potential for misuse. The select group of people currently testing Sora are domain experts in areas like misinformation, hateful content, and bias, says an OpenAI spokesperson. This testing is vital because artificial videos could let bad actors generate false footage in order to, for instance, harass someone or sway a political election. Misinformation and disinformation fueled by AI-generated deepfakes ranks as a major concern for leaders in academia, business, government, and other sectors, as well as for AI experts. Sora is absolutely capable of creating videos that could trick everyday folks. Video does not need to be perfect to be believable, as many people still don't realize that video can be manipulated as easily as pictures. Another significant concern regarding Sora is its potential for infringing on the copyrighted work of others. For example, if Sora generates a photorealistic video based on a copyrighted text or image without proper authorization, it could be seen as a violation of copyright law. Even if the original text or image is considered publicly available in some contexts, using it in a commercial or transformative way, as Sora does, could still infringe on the creator's rights. This ambiguity could lead to legal challenges and potentially costly lawsuits for OpenAI if not addressed proactively. OpenAI asserts that the training data comes from content that is either licensed or publicly available. However, the definition of publicly available can be ambiguous, leaving room for interpretation and potential legal disputes. If OpenAI fails to effectively address this issue, they may find themselves facing numerous lawsuits. It will be crucial for OpenAI to implement robust measures to ensure that Sora does not inadvertently violate copyright laws, thus mitigating the risk of legal repercussions and maintaining trust within the creative community. AI companies will need to collaborate with social media networks and governments to handle the scale of misinformation and disinformation likely to occur once Sora becomes open to the public. Defenses could include implementing unique identifiers, or watermarks, for AI-generated content. The implications of these security concerns extend beyond individual privacy and data protection, raising alarms over national security and the potential for AI technologies to be used in disinformation campaigns and other forms of digital manipulation. This has led to calls for tighter restrictions on AI use, with some businesses and countries implementing measures to safeguard against the misuse of these powerful tools. When asked if OpenAI has any plans to make Sora more widely available in 2024, the OpenAI spokesperson described the company as taking several important safety steps ahead of making Sora available in OpenAI's products. For instance, the company already uses automated processes aimed at preventing its commercial AI models from generating depictions of extreme violence, sexual content, hateful imagery, and real politicians or celebrities. With more people than ever before participating in elections this year, those safety steps will be crucial. Despite these challenges, experts argue that it's possible to make AI systems more secure, which could, in turn, make them less susceptible to misuse. However, achieving this requires a concerted effort from developers, businesses, and regulatory bodies to establish and adhere to best practices for AI security. As AI technology advances, it brings tremendous opportunity, innovation, and efficiency. However, these advancements also raise critical security concerns that must be carefully addressed. The realism achieved by cutting-edge AI models like OpenAI's Sora video generator highlights the pressing need for strong security frameworks to prevent potential misuse. As we approach significant breakthroughs in AI, it becomes increasingly crucial to strike a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring the safety and security of digital environments. This balance requires a multifaceted approach, including robust encryption methods, strict access controls, regular security audits, and ongoing research into AI security vulnerabilities. Additionally, collaboration between industry leaders, policymakers, and security experts is essential to develop and implement effective strategies to safeguard AI technologies against malicious exploitation. By proactively addressing these challenges, we can harness the full potential of AI while minimizing the risks associated with its rapid advancement.